Hello student grade 2. Welcome in my channel. Today we will talk about energy. What is energy? Energy, it is the ability to do work. Again, energy, it's ability to do work. In our life we need energy. From what our bodies take energy? Our bodies take energy from food. Okay? We need food to do anything. Cars need energy to move. From what they can get their energy? They get their energy from fuel. Okay, we need energy to do work. Okay, and we get this energy from food. Car need energy to move, and it get energy from fuel. Okay, we have a lot of types of energy, and we use them in our life and in everything. Okay, let's repeat the main point that we said. We said the definition of energy. What is the definition of energy? Energy is an ability to do work, and we get energy from food, and the car get energy from fuel. That's the point we said. We use energy to operate. To operate what? To operate cars, computers, trains, and vacuum cleaners. We need energy to produce electricity. All get this point? Let's repeat an important point. Energy is used to operate computers, trains, and vacuum cleaners. It's an important question. Okay? We have a lot of type of energy. Let's note some of them. First, we have fuel energy. Fuel energy that car use. Second, kinetic energy. Third, heat energy. Fourth, soil energy. Fifth, electric energy. Okay, let's repeat them again. Number 1, fuel energy. Number 2, kinetic energy. Number 3, heat energy. Number 4, solar energy. Number 5, electric energy. Okay, let's make a quick revision about all we said. We said the definition of energy and what energy we need and what car energy that need and what energy used to operate, and these 3 points, and what is the type of energy. Okay, and let's repeat again. Definition of energy: it's an ability to do work, and we get food to do work. Cars get energy from fuel, and we use energy to operate car, trains, and vacuum cleaners. Okay, and we use energy to produce electricity. That's an important point. Okay, and we said a lot of types of energy, and we said we use energy to produce electricity. Okay, some types of energy we said: fuel energy, kinetic energy, heat energy, solar energy, electric energy. Okay, this is an important point. All understood me? Okay, thank you for watching.